Hello, Austin. It's Valerie, the founder of Sacred Out Healers. Today, I'm so excited to be picking up your wand. You have chosen such a beautiful piece. Did you know it's one of the first ones I've ever bought for the business? I was truly fascinated by it, so much so that I kept one for myself. My love for wands really took off after immersing myself in the magical world of Harry Potter. I have no shame in it. I have always been obsessed with magic and the mysteries behind it. By the way, have you seen the video where one of the actors shares her concerns about adults still liking the movie? It was a bit surprising at first, but everyone's entitled to their own opinions, right? Anyways, back to your wand. Wands have an incredible ancient history tracing back to ancient Egypt, used in various rituals and ceremonies to connect us to the divine energies and enhance communication. So I'm so glad that you got one. I will be adding a similar style this Friday to our shop, so please stay tuned. For more magical treasures, visit us at sacredouthealers.com, and thank you for choosing us for your mystical needs. Take care.